Hamilton T1 ventilator on. Ito yung battery niya. Yan, battery pack. Mga connection to. Bago pa battery. Ito yung oxygen. High pressure oxygen. Low pressure oxygen. Ayan. Calibration na naman. Okay na to eh. Ayan, dito yung calibration. Okay naman. Check naman. Auto cell. Sensors. Okay naman. Okay naman tayo. Calibrated no. Let me check. Tapos dito yung tube. Ito CO2 to. Ito yung sensor. Flow sensor yan. Exhaust. Tapos ito strap. Yan sa ambulance. Air.